Moving on. 34, common estate planning traps. Home stretch, relying on the wrong people. Number 33 is choosing the wrong person to act as your executor, trustee, or agent. So let me break that down into a couple of ways. So you have to choose a person to be to administrate your estate upon your death, right? So it's an executor or a successor trustee, an administrator or an executor. An executor if you have a will, and a trustee, successor trustee if you have a living trust. That would be upon your death. And you could use someone to be a trustee or successor trustee during your life, or the agent for your power of attorney should you become incapacitated or adjudicated incompetent, right? So a trust document is a valuable document during your life, and even upon your death, it's a will substitute. Now, you should think about who you're going to appoint for these important positions. It could be a family member, a trusted friend, a professional trustee, a professional corporation. It could be an attorney, it could be a CPA. You're going to think about the amount of work involved and what the range of asset classes that you have. Is it something more simple and straightforward, or is it operating a business in the event that you should become incapacitated or incompetent? So if you have, I'm only speaking about the life. I'm going to break it down tomorrow. I'm going to speak about what you do upon death. But we're discussing picking a trustee, a successor trustee, and an agent. Now, oftentimes inside of a living trust, the person that creates the trust is their own trustee. And then upon incapacity or being adjudicated incompetent, you'd have the successor trustee take over during your life estate assets. The agent in your power of attorney would control asset classes and financial issues that are not inside of your trust. Your monthly income, pension, Social Security, any bank accounts or asset management that you have outside of the trust. The successor trustee and the agent can be the same person. Doesn't have to be. You could have two different people, right? But you have to choose wisely. Okay? That's all for today. If you would like to speak to me about your power of attorney or trust and who to pick and what considerations would go into place, please reach out to me, frankbrunolaw.com. Tomorrow I'm going to continue on 33 and concern ourselves with the administration of your estate after your death. Until then, be safe and well. Thank you.